Little storyteller.
Chloe had a little secret in her bedroom. Behind a big pile of colorful shoes in her closet, there wasn't just a wall. There was a waterfall. Not a big, scary waterfall, but a gentle, bubbly one. The water sparkled like tiny diamonds as it tumbled down mossy rocks. Sometimes, little socks floated up from the bottom, like colorful leaves in the breeze. One sunny morning, Chloe was looking for her favorite blue sock, with the little yellow stars. She looked under her bed. She looked in her toy box. Where could it be? Then she remembered her secret. She tiptoed to her closet and peeked behind the shoe pile. The little waterfall was gurgling happily. Chloe watched as a pink sock with white polka dots floated up, then a stripy green sock, but no blue sock with yellow stars. Suddenly, a little creature popped its head out from behind a wet rock. It was a sock sprite. He was small and round, with big friendly eyes and fluffy purple fur. He wore a tiny hat made from a lost button. "Hello," squeaked the sock sprite. "I'm Squeaky. Welcome to the land of lost socks." Chloe giggled. "It's so wonderful here. I'm Chloe, and I'm looking for my blue sock with yellow stars." "Have you seen it?" Squeaky thought hard, tapping his button hat. A blue sock with yellow stars. I think I saw one going down the twisty tunnel." He pointed with a tiny finger towards a dark opening behind the waterfall. Chloe and Squeaky carefully went through the twisty tunnel. It was a little bit dark, but glowing moss on the walls made pretty green patterns. Soon they came to a big room filled with socks of every color and size. Some were hanging on clotheslines made of spider webs, and others were piled high like soft mountains. Little sock sprites were busy sorting them. "Excuse me," Chloe said to a sock sprite with bright orange fur. "Have you seen a blue sock with yellow stars?" The orange sprite smiled. "Yes, it was just over by the sunny sock drying stone." Chloe and Squeaky hurried over, and there it was. Chloe's favorite blue sock. But where was its partner? A wise old sock sprite with long white fur and glasses perched on his nose floated by. "Sometimes," he said gently, "socks get separated on their journey here, but if you look carefully, you might find its friend nearby." Chloe looked all around the sunny sock drying stone, and then behind a big fluffy pink sock. She saw it, her other blue sock with the yellow stars. Chloe was so happy. She thanked all the sock sprites. Squeaky waved goodbye as Chloe went back through the twisty tunnel and behind the waterfall. She put on her blue socks with the yellow stars. They felt just right. Later, Chloe was helping her mommy fold laundry. She found a lonely red sock. "Mommy," Chloe said, "do you think this sock might be missing its friend?" Her mommy smiled and said, "It probably is, sweetie. Just like everyone needs a friend." Chloe put the red sock with the other clean socks, hoping its partner would find it soon. It made her happy to think that even lost socks could find their way back to each other, sometimes with a little bit of searching and a lot of hope.
Please subscribe. Thank you.